So guys, welcome back to this channel, Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about, of course, right written over here as staircase in a single click. So what you have to do for that is, first of all, you have to draw the riser. Let's say that is 150 mm. That'll go with 15, and this with 30 mm, sorry, 300 mm. So first of all, you have to join these two things and make this as one object. After this, according to the height of your slab, let's say you are having a height of 60 mm, let's say 6 meter, that is like more than enough, like, right? So you just have to do is, let's say you will require 10 steps. For that, you just have to do is copy multiple, that is copy co, press enter, specify the base point, it is this, and after that you have to select the option right over here, that is array. So what happened, what we decided is, to reach our slab height we will require, let's say, 10 stairs, 10 risers, correct? So 10 steps. So for that, for you have to just type is 10, and you just have to click on the end of your thread, which is right over here, and your stairs will be good to go, and it is all ready. Select the whole thing, press joint, and offset it by the amount of the thickness of slab that you want. For me it will be 15, and I'll just extend this line, and from here your slab starts. So that is it. You can create your stairs, it, this easily, this simple, and this is how you do it. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.